too. Hold up.
Oh, fuck. Yeah, dude.
Out here with my main man, Andrew. Say what's up to the camera. Let's go.
What's up, boys?
We catching them today or what?
We're getting them, man.
Hey, you heard him. We're getting them today, man. We got the boat already ready. Let's do it. Chunky little bluegill on the bed. I don't know if you ever see, like, there's another one. But he's swimming off.
Lake's really high, too. It's not bad.
Just got out here with my buddy. Blue skies, fishing some cover. We got some grass over here, grass beneath us. Just start the jerk bait, see what happens. Oh, something just jumped right there.
Really?
Yeah, it didn't look like
in the.
right on the edge. Didn't look like a bluegill.
Huh. I saw a couple surfaces. I don't know what they're doing.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna make a switch to that chatterbait. What's the water clarity looking like?
The what?
The water clarity. Making a bait change real quick. About to switch to this white and chartreuse chatterbait. A lot of grass. I'm hoping just to kind of rip it through the grass, see if I can't get something to come out and bite. Chatterbait, one of my favorite baits. Yeah, they're sitting up under this grass and this mat. Well, my thing is, it's like really sunny out, so I'm thinking they're kind of posted up under stuff. Yeah.
I don't know.
They could be too, though.
I'll try that grass. I'll try behind you.
That's, I mean, I've seen 2 fish activities.
What do you have on?
Chatterbait. I've been just kind of casting into these little pockets.
I want to do, you said you're doing a charter, right?
Yeah, the 18th of June, so coming up here next month.
I want to do one this time.
Yeah. Well, the thing is, you got to book them like a year in advance.
Really?
Yeah, we had to book ours last year.
For real?
Yeah, because they get booked up.
I already almost got barred this year.
Barred?
Barred.
Oh. Dude, messing with the trebles, I can't do it.
All last year I was like, I'm not touching the treble hook without pliers. And this year I was caught that bass on the spoon.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, it'll be all right. Right in the top of the pump.
Oh, no. Yeah, no, if I'm using the trebles, I'll get the pliers for sure.
Even the net, dude. Oh!
Okay. Oh, you just got tore up on. On the whopper plopper over that grass, like you said.
Dude, it wasn't that big.
Hey, a fish is a
Yeah, I
fish.
was gonna say a fish is a fish.
That's the skunk off the boat early.
Yeah, true.
Dang, that was awesome. Yeah, right up against that wall.
I'll give this a try. That's deep.
And out.
The water's rushing out.
There's fish around, bro. Like 100%.
Yeah, they're kind of active too, actually.
Like they're around. Oh, that was a bite right there too. Yeah, no, they're around. Now, how big are they? Oh yeah, look, tore my bait up.
Oh shit.
That's how you know you just got a bite. Over here's where Dill caught that walleye.
Yeah.
Crazy enough.
Dude, he was using a jerkbait too.
Was he?
Yeah. He was just letting it sit at the top and just fucking.
I don't know. I feel like Dill would have been using a live bait or something.
Yeah, you would think. He was using a jerkbait.
That's crazy, because yeah, that's Dill's MO is live bait. He don't want to throw it unless it's alive and squirming.
Or cut up the shit.
Yeah, cut up the shit. Yeah, it's his MO.
Or I use it. Let me see if I have any.
You can use it, I don't care.
Should have fucking checked. Forgot about this thing.
Oh, that's a bite, that's a bite. Hold up, we're about to be hooked up. It's a decent one.
Nice.
That's a decent one. Nah, I'm gonna boat flip him.
You need that?
Nah. That is a good one though.
Oh, that is a good one, dude.
He's digging. Yeah, just put him in the net just in case. I don't want my line to snap or nothing. Oh. Down the gullet.
Hell yeah, dude. Decent little bass right there.
It's a chunky one. First one of the day for me. First one of the day. Solid 2-pounder. Let's go. Love to see it. See ya, buddy. Hold up. Ah, I just missed him.
Dude, I did, and I got so.
That's a good one. I need the net for that one.
Where's its head?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Good
sir.
one, my guy.
Thank you, sir. Of course, not recording. As soon as I turn the GoPro off, turn it, cast in there, catch another bedfish. Come on now. I'm gonna weigh him. That's a thick one. Bloodied up tail. I don't know if y'all can see that. Back all bloodied up. Let's get a quick weight on him. I'm gonna go with a 3-pounder.
That's what I'm thinking. Maybe 3.5.
Don't kick. I know you want to. 3-4.
3.4.
3-4. I don't know if y'all can see that on there. Let's go. One more time for y'all. See if we can get a little release on him. See ya. Oh my goodness, did y'all see that? It scared the crap out of me, jeez. Hooked up again. Every time you're not recording, you get hooked up. I was reeling my bait in and he hit as I was reeling it in. That's another decent one. That's another can't complainer. This Texas rig is doing the job right now. Decent guy, nothing too crazy, but hey, we'll take it. Fish number 3. Same thing, got a little bloody tail, little piece missing. Let's go. See ya, buddy. Let's go.
We'll go back. We'll try that honey hole. For the pipe you love with the island too.
Already got hammered?
Nah, it's popular and idiot.
Popped it like Superman.
Yeah. I don't know my own strength anymore.
All that working out you do.
Every day.
You be drinking, you be taking like C4, like creatine and shit?
Yeah, I use, right now I have Total War. I started scoop of creatine.
Total War. That just sounds like it's gonna get you freaking. Yeah, that's what I was saying. That just sounds like it's gonna make you just so hype. Like, Total War. Ugh. You can see somebody giving you the eye down from 2 miles away.
Oh, yeah, dude.
And lift weights and you're all freaking.
Jacked up.
Yeah, I'm all jacked up on Mountain Dew.
Yeah.
About to throw this Topwater Spook. Same one I love throwing. It's the Nude Super Spook Junior. Right along this weed edge that's right all in front of us.
Yeah, last week when I came out here, there were schools of crappies chilling on top of the weeds.
Yeah, we never did that. We never came out for that catch and cook.
Oh, dude, we still got plenty of time. Those crappies are just getting big. Plus, in the summer, I know exactly where they are.
What, by those bubblers? That guy, topwater fish on the popper. Yes, sir.
Just a little dink.
Nothing too crazy, but hey, first on the board for him. We'll take it. First topwater of the year. Yes, sir. Little guy, nothing crazy. Good job, GG's. See ya.
There we go.
Look, there we go. Live action, baby. Second one on the Whopper Plopper.
Just a little guy again.
Hey, we'll take him, man. Nice.
Not bad.
Good job. You got me wanting to put on a Whopper Plopper.
I'd do it. Same size.
Not a bad one.
Maybe a little bit bigger.
Nice.
Do love these top water blow ups.
Love it. Especially like if you're staring at your lure and you just hear the smack of the gums are active. Oh my goodness. No, I ripped it out of its mouth. No. Dude, that was an A1 cast, dude, and he slammed it.
All that shit, dude.
I set the hook so hard though because I was falling backwards into the boat.
Dude, there was.
Oh, I'm so upset. Dude, there's no better feeling than throwing topwater.
Oh, I just sucked it.
Oh, hold up. Look, here's a dead catfish, I think.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, you see it?
I see it floating. I can't tell what it is though.
Yeah, it's a catfish.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Hurry up. It's my left hand. Oh my God. What happened?
It went through the net.
Through the net?
It broke the net.
Oh no.
Oh, I'm sick.
Oh no. My guy just had a fat freaking pike on. How'd it get through the net?
Right here.
Oh, bro, no way. No way. Oh my gosh, right at the boat.
Bro, I'm sick to my stomach.
Oh my gosh, that was crazy.
Cool.
Andrew just missed a nice pike, man.
Frustrating.
Oh,
Yeah, and I forgot I still have this backlash I gotta get out. All for
hey, it was an adrenaline rush though.
I know.
Oh my gosh, man. That's heartbreaking.
Disgusting.
Right at the boat, dude. We seen him come up and eat it.
Yeah,
That was so sick. Yes, dude, that was so sick. Like, that was so sick.
Oh. I still consider it a catch.
That was a catch, bro. It was in the net, in the boat. Just didn't get no.
No hands on.
Yeah. I got him on video, though, for you.
Oh, dude, I can't believe my net.
Yeah, I'm thinking they're in, like, all these little pockets underneath all of
Makes
this,
sense.
all of this stuff.
You using a chatter?
Yeah, I switched back to it. That was, like, the second cast over here. I definitely got smacked. Come on, if there's one, there's gotta be more. Smells fishy.
Fishy?
Smells fishy.
Oh, fuck. That's good.
That's what we want.
We need more fish.
Big old catfish on the chatterbait. Can't believe it. I always catch a catfish out here on a chatterbait.
Yeah, bro. It's happened way too many times.
Hold up, buddy's digging. Like he's thick. He's thick. I don't want him to snap my line. Jeez Louise, man. Can't believe it. Thick boy. Y'all believe this? Come on. It's ridiculous. Hey, catch is a catch, man. I'll take it, though. On the chatterbait.
That's a decent cat.
No, yeah, he's thick. That's for sure. Not gonna pull him out, but y'all see him. Thick little cat. Was not expecting to catch that. Get on out, buddy. Come on, not the target species, but still put up a good fight. We'll take it. Mark my words, YouTube, this cast. All right, this cast. All right, this cast. This is the one right here. Let it sink a little bit. All right, this is the cast right here. Mark my words. All right, I give up calling my shots. It just don't work.
Maybe it's this one.
Well, when I call my shots, I don't catch anything. We hooked up again. Got me another nice bass. We'll take him. Andrew with the net job. Yes, sir.
Nice little bass.
Yes, sir.
Little, not little.
That's a solid 2-pound guy.
Yeah.
That's a solid 2-pound guy. Look how he ate it. Chatterbait gone.
Yeah.
Solid guy.
That's a dude for sure.
Let's go. Thanks for playing. You're doing tricks too. All I'm doing is we're fishing a lot of this matted grass, and there's some submerged grass. I'm just ripping the chatterbait through it. Just caught a nice decent catfish. Got me a couple bass. White and chartreuse chatter, Strike King, I believe. You're not gonna be able to get me to buy no jackhammer, man. I'm sorry. I'll take it though.